Hello, everybody. What up? I got to do a rebroadcast because I had some music on the TV that's copyrighted material. So I'm redoing this for flag reasons. So I'm not going to have any of that going on. But to redo this. You ready? All right. So you feel lucky, punk? Well, do you? Do you feel lucky? I hope you do. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, oh. Let's get down to facts. This is my sword. It's a dress sword. Symbol, little something right there. It's hard to see. And symbol. That star. I don't know what that star means, but it means something. Very old sword I got from my dad, and I got that helmet also that saved his life. But this sword seems like it's an important dress sword that belonged to somebody important, because in that age, this looked pretty good. It's not for fighting because it's short. You hear that sound? That's like battle war. That's just beautiful. Hear this beautiful sound. Poetic. That was meant to do that. So, you know, I would like to know if this sword is worth a lot. Not that I would sell it. I mean, you never know, but yeah, it's pretty bad. No, don't cut my arm off. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Protect the head. Always protect the head. Elbows. Key. That's all I got for you. That's it. Oh, yeah. These guys. Check them out. These are the small ones. They're small. Small tumies. I have bigger. Bigger and better. Look very real. So I hear. But, yeah. Alrighty. Everybody have a nice one. This is my show saying it's over for now. Until I got something better. Peace.